Welcome back to Archithings, the channel where we explore inspiring home design ideas from around the world. Today's video takes you into the bold and fascinating world of modern brutalist concrete mansions, homes that combine monumental scale with quiet, understated luxury. If you appreciate architecture that feels powerful, sculptural, and timeless, you're going to love what we're about to explore. Brutalist architecture has evolved dramatically from its mid-century origins. What once symbolized raw industrial strength is now being reinterpreted into elegant, modern residences where concrete becomes both structure and art. These mansions embrace strong geometry, dramatic shadows, and expansive spaces that feel both grounded and luxurious. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Archithings for more architectural inspiration, give this video a like if you enjoy design content like this, and leave a comment sharing which style of home you'd love to see next. Now, let's step into the world of modern brutalist mansions. Brutalism first emerged in the mid-20th century, known for its use of exposed concrete, strong geometric forms, and an honest expression of materials. The name comes from the French phrase, béton brut, meaning raw concrete, emphasizing the material's natural texture and character. While early brutalist buildings were often institutional or civic structures, contemporary architects have reimagined the style for residential design. Instead of feeling cold or imposing, modern brutalist homes can feel warm, intentional, and incredibly refined. Today's brutalist mansions merge the power of concrete with modern comforts, creating spaces that feel both monumental and inviting. This evolution has transformed brutalism into one of the most striking luxury home styles of the modern era. One of the defining characteristics of modern brutalist mansions is their impressive scale. Large volumes, stacked forms, and cantilevered structures create homes that feel almost sculptural against the landscape. Architects often use massive concrete slabs and bold geometric compositions to establish a strong visual identity. Rectangular volumes, layered platforms, and dramatic overhangs give these homes a powerful architectural presence. Despite their size, the best brutalist mansions maintain balance through careful proportions and thoughtful spatial organization. The result is architecture that feels grand yet harmonious with its surroundings. Concrete is the defining material of brutalist architecture, and in modern mansions it is celebrated rather than hidden. Its texture, imperfections, and tonal variations add depth and character to every surface. Architects often use board-formed or textured concrete finishes to create subtle patterns across walls and ceilings. These natural impressions give the material warmth and a handcrafted quality that contrasts beautifully with its structural strength. Instead of covering concrete with paint or cladding, designers highlight its natural beauty. This approach turns the entire house into a cohesive architectural statement. Inside modern brutalist mansions, space plays a crucial role. Large open layouts allow the architecture to breathe, emphasizing volume and movement throughout the home. High ceilings, wide corridors, and double-height living areas create dramatic interior experiences. The sense of openness helps soften the weight of concrete and brings a feeling of calm balance to the space. These interiors often blur the line between structure and decoration. The architectural elements themselves, walls, beams, and slabs, become the visual focus. Light is essential in modern brutalist homes. Large windows, skylights, and glass walls allow natural light to interact with the concrete surfaces throughout the day. As sunlight moves across the textured walls, shadows and highlights reveal the material's depth and detail. This dynamic interaction transforms concrete from a heavy material into something surprisingly expressive. Architects carefully position openings to capture light at specific moments, turning the home into a living canvas shaped by the changing daylight. Many modern brutalist mansions are designed to feel rooted in their environment. The weight and permanence of concrete allow these homes to integrate naturally with rocky terrain, forests, or coastal cliffs. Architects often embed portions of the structure into the landscape or extend terraces outward, creating a strong connection between interior spaces and the surrounding environment. This relationship with nature reinforces the timeless character of brutalist architecture, making the home feel like a natural extension of the land. Unlike traditional mansions filled with ornate decoration, brutalist luxury is quiet and understated. The richness comes from spatial experience, material quality, and architectural precision. Minimal furnishings, carefully chosen textures, and restrained color palettes allow the architecture itself to take center stage. Every design element feels intentional and thoughtfully placed. This minimalist approach creates an atmosphere of calm sophistication where luxury is expressed through simplicity rather than excess. To balance the coolness of concrete, designers often introduce natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal. These elements add warmth and tactile variety to the interiors. Wooden ceilings, stone flooring, and custom metal fixtures create beautiful contrasts against the raw concrete surfaces. This layering of materials enriches the visual experience of the home. The combination of rough and refined textures is one of the most appealing aspects of modern brutalist design. Cantilevers are a signature feature of many brutalist mansions. These bold structural elements extend large volumes outward, creating dramatic silhouettes and sheltered outdoor areas. The engineering behind these structures is just as impressive as their visual impact. Massive concrete beams allow rooms to project outward without visible support. These architectural gestures emphasize both the strength and elegance of concrete as a building material. Modern brutalist mansions often include expansive terraces, courtyards, and rooftop gardens. These outdoor spaces extend the living experience beyond the interior walls. Sliding glass walls and open courtyards allow residents to move effortlessly between indoor and outdoor environments. This design approach enhances both comfort and connection with nature. The contrast between lush greenery and raw concrete creates a striking visual balance that defines many contemporary brutalist homes. Within brutalist interiors, structural components often become sculptural features. Staircases, beams, and columns are designed with bold forms that command attention. Floating concrete stairs, monumental pillars, and dramatic voids turn everyday functional elements into architectural art pieces. These sculptural features reinforce the idea that brutalist design celebrates structure as beauty. Another reason brutalist mansions appeal to many homeowners is the sense of privacy they provide. Solid exterior walls and strategic openings create a protective envelope around the living spaces. From the outside, these homes may appear minimal and closed, but inside they reveal expansive interiors filled with light and openness. This balance between privacy and openness adds to the intrigue and exclusivity of brutalist residential architecture. Concrete homes can also incorporate sustainable design strategies. Thick concrete walls provide excellent thermal mass, helping regulate indoor temperatures throughout the year. Modern brutalist mansions often integrate green roofs, solar panels, and passive ventilation systems. These features reduce environmental impact while maintaining the home's architectural integrity. By combining durability with smart energy strategies, brutalist homes can be both powerful and environmentally conscious. Living in a brutalist mansion offers a unique emotional experience. The scale, materials, and spatial drama create an environment that feels both grounding and inspiring. The quiet strength of concrete and the play of light and shadow encourage a deeper appreciation of architecture as an everyday experience. For many homeowners, these homes become more than just residences, they become architectural statements that reflect individuality and bold design thinking. Modern brutalist concrete mansions prove that raw materials and monumental forms can coexist with comfort, elegance, and subtle luxury. Through thoughtful design, architects transform simple concrete into powerful and beautiful living environments. From expansive open interiors to sculptural structures and serene connections with nature, these homes redefine what modern luxury can look like. They remind us that true sophistication often lies in simplicity and authenticity. Thank you for watching this episode of Archithings. If you enjoyed exploring these modern brutalist mansions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next architectural journey.